Here we have question number 1, which has 3 parts. So for each one, we need to evaluate each of these 3 functions at different values. So f of 2, that means plug in 2 for the x. So f of 2 equals the square root of 1 plus 5. We'll put parentheses in place of x, and what goes in that parentheses is the 2. So we're going to get 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, so that's 1 plus 10 square root. That's 11, square root of 11. That is the answer that goes in here. So we're going to use this and put in square root 11. For g, we need to find g of 4, so we're going to put 4 in for the x there. G of 4 equals negative 2 squared, x squared plus 6 over x squared, and I've just filled those in, so everywhere there's the opening space I'm going to put a 4. Now just order of operations. 4 squared is 16, so it's negative 2 times 16 plus 6 all over 16. Negative 2 times 16, that's going to be negative 32 plus 6 over 16. An order of operations says we have to add before we divide because they're grouped on the top. So negative 32 plus 6. We're going to subtract because the signs are opposite of each other. That gives us 28, let's see, 6. That's 30 with 4 more would be 26. So negative 26 over 16. Usually they want it reduced, so 26 and 16, 2 can go into both of those. So divide out of 2, we're going to get 2 goes into 16 8 times, 2 goes into 26 13 times. So 13 eighths. And again, for that one you would use the fraction key, and then we've got 13 eighths. Finally, h of 6, we'll plug in the 6 for the h, or sorry, for the x, right? And so then we've got the absolute value of negative 2/3 6 minus 11. You could multiply first. That's 2 times 6 is excuse me, is 12. Divided by 3 would be 4. Or you could cancel 3 goes into 6, leaving a 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So you get minus 4 minus 11 absolute value, and negative 4 and negative 11 signs are the same, so we add them. That's going to be negative 15 absolute value. When you take the absolute value of a number, it ends up being the positive value, so it's going to equal positive 15. And it's positive, we don't have to put any plus or anything, we just put the number 15 here, and that's how we do that one.